question number 1 we are going to start. So question number 1 is evaluate. On that day we have discussed what is the meaning of evaluation. So how to solve this question? 3 to the power minus 2. So how to remove this negative sign from here? So there we have discussed one law. If we write a to the power minus m, we can write as 1 by a to the power m. So by using this law we can write here as 1 by 3 to the power 2. This minus will, how this minus is replaced? This minus is replaced with this 1. So what we have done here, we have done the reciprocate of this. So 1 by 3 to the power 2. Now how we can write this? We can write this as 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Why? Because here 3 to the power 2 means 2 times we have to multiply. So that is why I have written here 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So when I solve this 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, I get 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is my answer. So 1 by 9 is my answer of this first one question. Now if you see the second one question, second one is minus 4 to the power minus 2. So here also same law we are going to use here. This minus 2 is here, so same law we can use. A to the power minus m we can write as 1 by a to the power m. Now by using this law we can write it here as 1 by minus 4 to the power 2. What we have done here, we have removed this minus sign from here by writing 1 by minus 4 to the power 2. Now after this we can write as 1 by minus 4 into 1 by minus 4. Why? Because here minus 4 to the power 2 is there. It means 2 times we are going to multiply it here. Now after this when we multiply, so we get 1 by minus 4 into minus 4 we get 16. So 1 by 16 is our answer. Now let's see the third one option. Third one is 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Now how to solve this question? So we can write, we can use this identity, a by b to the power minus m is equal to a by b to the power m. Only what we have done here, reciprocate. Why we have used here? Because here this is in form of rational number, so that is why. So how we can write? We can write now 2 by 1 to the power 5. What we have done here, just we have reciprocated. When we done reciprocation, this minus sign will get into plus sign. Now 2 to the power 5 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. Now when we multiply this 2 into 2 into 2, we get 32. So 32 is our answer. So which law we are going to use? We are going to use this law. The law is am divided by an. We can write as a m minus n. So same law we are going to use here, because the base here is minus 4, the base here is minus 4, and there is a division sign, so we are going to subtract the exponents. So we can write minus 4 5 minus 8. This power we can subtract. So 5 minus 8. After that we can write minus 4. This 5 minus 8 we can write as minus 3. Now question is given, simplify and express the result in the power notation with positive exponent. Means this exponent should be positive, it can't be negative. This should be positive. So how to write this? So by using this law, which law? AM is equal to 1 by AM. So by that we can write the answer is this, and the final answer we can write, because we know minus never be in denominator, so directly we can write minus 1 4 to the power 3. We can't solve it more. Why? Because question is given, simplify and express the result in power notation. So this is only called the power notation. If we simplify, it means that is not a power notation. So any doubt in this one question? The question is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 bracket close into 2 to the power 2. This is our question. Now how to solve this question? So here first we are going to solve the bracket. So 3 to the power 0, any number whose power is 0 we can write as 1, plus this is minus 1, so we can write 1 by 4, then bracket close into 2 to the power 2 means we can write as 4. Then after this we are going to solve this bracket. So we are going to take the LCM. Now you are in 8th class, so directly you can solve this. So you will get LCM as 4. So 4 plus 1 into 4. Then after this 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 4 into 4. So when we open the bracket, so we get 5 by 4 into 4. So this 4 and 4 get cancelled by table of 4 only. So what is left? 5 is left, and this is our